If you have an upcoming MSC cruise or are thinking about taking an MSC cruise, then we have a new policy and protocol change that you need to know about right away. Chris with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, MSC Cruise Lines has become the latest cruise lines that is now going to require a negative COVID-19 test prior to arriving at the cruise port. So all cruises leaving on and after August the 27th will require the negative COVID-19 test for everybody ages 2 and above. That is both vaccinated and unvaccinated passengers. Test must be taken 3 days or less prior to embarkation. And of course, the guest is responsible for any testing and costs involved. All tests must be done by an accredited test provider, and you can either print out your test results or bring the email copy on your phone. They will accept either of those two. Now, your test results must include the following information. It must name the testing location, the test provider's name. Of course, it must show a negative COVID result, must have the guest's name, the date and time the test was taken, and the guest's date of birth on there as well. So all of those items will need to be on the negative test results. And you must have these test results, like I said, when you arrive at the cruise port for embarkation. And this new testing requirement is in addition to any testing that will still be done at the cruise port prior to boarding. So if you have an upcoming MSC cruise, definitely start checking your emails. Check the cruise line's website and make sure you know what is going to be required when you arrive at the cruise port. If you saw our video from a couple days ago about people being denied boarding on cruise ships for not knowing the requirements prior to arriving at the cruise port, then definitely know what you got to do. Check MSC's website. Check your emails. And if you have any specific questions, contact MSC directly and make sure you are ready to go. Especially if you are one of the individuals that is going to be cruising just next week here on the 27th. Now you're going to have to do a little bit of scrambling to make sure that you get your testing, get your results back, and still get on board your ship like you're supposed to. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.